Today, I have a magnificent, meticulous, must-see home for you. I'm in Maple Fields and I'm on Maple. Take a look.
Nestled in the prestigious Maple Fields neighborhood, this exquisite 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home exudes sophistication. Step inside to discover soaring ceilings, an impressive iron door, and carefully curated light fixtures that define its elegant charm. The open concept floor plan seamlessly integrates living spaces. The gourmet kitchen features a convenient pot filler, adding practicality to its luxurious appeal, making it perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. The owner's suite is the place to relax with a freestanding tub and separate shower. This home will not disappoint.
Remember, I'm on Maple. This home has multiple amenities, including this majestic tub. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.